Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to use tab stops properly. So there are many tab stops like central line, left line, right line and reverse writing or typing. So in this video I am just showing you how to use any tab stops like I am using here. Alright, here is my identity and I am going to feed some data identity. So here I would like to first name myself. So here I will give my name and I want one tab stop goes or start from 4. So if you want your tab goes like if you give tab here, so your tab goes to mid of 2 and 3 scaling. So if you want this direct reaches to 4, so you just have to click on that scaling of 4. So when you click tab button or press tab button from a keyboard, the tab button or the tab cursor will be reached to that of location of 4. So name, here is my name Abhishek Kumar. So again I want to give here my profession name. So you can see here like name last alphabet of name E is ending here, and in profession N is ending, our last term is ending here. But when you click or when you press tab button from your keyboard, the cursor will be raised just aligned to that of A or that of 4 scaling. So you can just give here your another entry, like I am giving here another entry YouTuber. So again I want to give any other data, so YouTube name. So now I am pressing the tab key from keyboard and you can see that the cursor has reached just below the or aligned with A and Y, that is scaling in 4 of that ruler of MS Word. So here I am typing digital software. So thus you can use your tab stops like this, like professional. And if you want to end the tab stop, like you if you are giving any tab here, so it's not as by default but it's landing on 4 or at 4 scaling. So you just have to press or click and hold on the tab stop and move it down, and this will be appeared. You can see like this is dimmed now and now this is lost. So now from again or from next step, next line, the tab stop won't be working like that. So hope this is a useful video for you friends. I will be bringing videos like this. If you like this, share to your friends. Thank you.